The third conditional is for things in the past. It's an unchangeable past, a hypothetical past, and we make it like this. If plus subject plus past perfect, comma, then subject plus would have plus past participle. For example, if I had known about the concert, I would have gone. The fact is, I didn't know about it and I didn't go. But hypothetically speaking, if I had known about it, I would have gone. So with third conditional, it did happen or was true, but you say, for example, let's say it didn't happen or wasn't true. If I hadn't known about the concert, I wouldn't have gone. That's what a negative third conditional looks like. Let's say this is a real situation. I went to Los Angeles. I met Jennifer Aniston. So we can say, hypothetically, if I hadn't gone to Los Angeles, I wouldn't have met Jennifer Aniston. Or, I couldn't have met Jennifer Aniston, if you are saying there would be no possibility. Here we are wondering about a different and unreal past. If the situation was this, I didn't go to Los Angeles and I didn't meet Jennifer Aniston, then the third conditional would be, if I had gone to Los Angeles, I would have met Jennifer Aniston. Or I could have met Jennifer Aniston. Another form of older English or formal English for the third conditional would be this: had I gone to Los Angeles? Or in the negative, had I not gone to Los Angeles? Very often when you hear people speaking, they say, if I would have gone. This is not standard English. However, in 19th century novels, I've seen that written. So if you use it, then I guess that's no problem. Let's look now at how we can mix second and third conditionals, and this happens very often. Because they are both hypotheticals, it means they are mixable if a situation in the past is linked to the present, like in this example. If he weren't so stubborn, he wouldn't have refused help yesterday. His present character is he is stubborn, and the past action is he refused yesterday. Therefore, second conditional, if he weren't so stubborn, and then a past hypothetical that didn't happen, he wouldn't have refused yesterday. Try to make a hypothetical question here. If I had worked harder at school, I wouldn't be a teacher now. The real fact is, I didn't work hard at school, and today I am a teacher. So we have a hypothetical for the past that didn't happen, if I had worked harder at school, followed by an unreal present situation. I wouldn't be a teacher now. Let that be a lesson. Always try hard at school, or you'll be like me. Let's do some practice. Write hypothetical sentences about the unreal past. If Jennifer Aniston hadn't met me, she wouldn't have divorced Justin. True story. If he hadn't known about the bomb, he would have entered. If she hadn't touched the snake, it wouldn't have bitten her. If they'd been happy with the meal, they would have paid. If we hadn't drunk the water, we wouldn't be ill. This is a mixed conditional. It links us drinking water in the past and us being ill now. If I hadn't been certain, I wouldn't have made the choice. If she hadn't been at the bar, I wouldn't have met her. Make a hypothetical question here. If you had seen the woman, would you have helped? Now you are ready to do some practice on third conditionals. So download the third practice PDF file, answer the questions on it, and then check your answers on the answer sheet. Good luck!